This is my iPhone 15 and it has a fingerprint sensor. Just kidding. Now you may be thinking, how did I do that? So let me show you. First you have to go to the App Store and download an app named Widgets, and then you have to open it and set it up first. So this is the basic setup steps. You can simply continue. And now you have to go to the explore section and select lock screen, and you can download the fingerprint sensor or basically icon of it. Now on the lock screen, just tap and hold and then add that widget. And now you have a fingerprint sensor on your lock screen, just like me. It basically unlocks with your Face ID, and then you can tap on the fingerprint sensor icon. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.